Good morning, students. This is Science, Lesson 11, Light, Sound and Force. In this lesson, children, you will study about light, sound and force. But children, in this video, I'll take up only 2 points, that is light, and sound. But children, in the next video, I'll take up the topic, that is force. Children, can you see me? No. Can you see me clearly? No. Why? Because there is no light. It is dark, and children, we cannot see things in dark. Like, you cannot see me clearly. Why? Because it is dark here. Okay, children? But children, when there is light, we can see things clearly. Everything you can see clearly. Why? Because there is light. And children, do you know that sun is the main source of light on earth? This is very important. Sun is the main source of light on earth, and children, we get light from other objects also. That is, when you burn the candle, you get light. When you switch on the bulb, then you get the light. Okay, bulb, tube light, torch. With torch also you get light. Okay, so these are the things from which you get light. Now children, this is very important. There are two types of objects. First one is the luminous objects, and second one is the non-luminous objects. Luminous objects are the objects that give us light, like torch, candle, okay, tube light, lantern and all. And non-luminous objects are the objects that does not give us light, like chalk, pencil, chalk, your cloth. These all things give you light? No. So they are non-luminous objects, whereas the objects that gives you light is luminous objects. Now children, let us study about shadows. How are shadows formed? Children, how are shadows formed? Shadows are formed when an object blocks the path of light. Can you see, children, on this part of the blackboard light is coming? So children, what I will do with my hand, I am just blocking the path of the light that is coming from that bulb. Okay, so I am blocking the light. Now can you see at the back, shadow is formed. Shadow is formed. Why shadow is formed? Because my hand has blocked the light that is coming from the bulb. Okay, children, do you know the things that are already in shade cannot have their shadows? Okay, if the things are already in shade, then they cannot have their shadows. And children, during daytime, the position of shadows keep on changing. Why? Because the direction of the sun keeps on changing, so the position of the shadows also keep on changing. Like in the morning, the sun rises from east. In the afternoon, the sun is right at the top of our head, and in the evening, the sun sets in the west. Now children, the shadows in the morning and evening are long. Okay, but in the noon, the shadows are short, and in morning and evening the shadows are long. Children, just remember one thing, shadows are always formed on the opposite direction of the light. Like see, light is coming from here, so the shadow is formed here. Light is coming from here, shadow is formed here, and light is coming from here and the shadow is formed here. This you keep in your mind. Shadows are formed always on the opposite direction of the light. Second thing, children, you have to keep in your mind that shadows are always long in the morning and evening, and it is short in the noon. And shadows keep on changing their length and the position. Our next topic is sound. Children, can you hear me? Can you make out what I am saying? Yes, you can. Why? Because when I am speaking, sound is coming out from my mouth, so you can make out easily that what I am saying. Okay, so this is sound. Animal's voice, bell ringing, birds chirping, baby's voice. They are the soft voice and they are the sounds that they make. If I shout, do you like it, children? Like I'm saying, what are you doing? Here I am shouting. Will you like it, children? No. Why? Because this sound irritates you and it is so unpleasant. You will not like this voice at all. And so, children, this is called noise. This is called noise. Loud sound that irritates us and disturbs us is called noise. And children, remember one thing, noise is not good for our health at all. Okay? Life skills. Electricity should not be wasted. Not only electricity, children, we should not waste food and water also. Always speak softly and play television at low volume. Now, children, what you have to do? You have to revise and read 3 points in the book, that is light, shadows and sound. Okay, watch the video carefully and read these points in the book. Now, children, the next video will be on force. Then we'll complete the lesson. Okay, thank you very much.